Most identity platforms today are a collection of tools bolted together over time. They create blind spots, slow decisions, higher risk, increase attack surface at a much higher cost. Industry analysts like Gartner and KuppingerCole have consistently highlighted this fragmentation as a core weakness in traditional IAM stacks. They also consider risk management as a critical area of identity security. Cross-identity, a truly converged identity platform, has at its core the Warchief risk engine. It doesn't just tell you what happened. It tells you what matters right now, across your entire identity environment, in real time. Cross-identity, besides bringing in true convergence, also provides the most comprehensive risk management security shield. This is Warchief's Risk Dashboard, the executive view of identity and access risk scenario across your organization. While most solutions rely on a small set of alerts brought in at the login time, Warchief analyzes over 50 contextual risk signals across users, devices, applications, and access paths. These can come from 3 different categories of risk: dynamic risk that changes all the time, like the ones during logins; semi-static risk that can change over time; and user behavior risk that are a part of user habits. Accordingly, Warchief tracks and acts on login and session risks, excessive permission and other IGA, cloud infrastructure risk. It even deals with risks related to individuals' peculiar ways of doing things. You immediately see why something is risky, who is impacted, and how serious it is, because our entire technology is converged and in a single codebase. This insight is instantaneous with 0-millisecond lag, vital for hackers to not succeed. You can see we have 86 total risk events with 36 risky users and 9 out of 12 configured active policies. Furthermore, on the left side, the dashboard shows we can see the risky events that have taken place across accesses and logins. On the right side, we can see remediation status: 93% of risks already remediated and 7% being worked on. We have insights on risk distribution. High-risk events. Which factors contributed to the top risk parameters? Here is a snapshot of top risky users. We can see the accesses that have been blocked due to risky events and triggered multi-factor authentication. When it comes to bad IP attempts, the risk event occurs when the user comes from a risky or bad IP. By impossible travel is about flagging login attempts from different locations which cannot be traveled to by any practical means. Warchief is the most advanced engine on the planet that enables you to track and mitigate any risk. The Global Access Map gives you visibility of every access and authorization across geographies. The platform provides real-time visibility to all risky events like logins and critical permissions. Warchief lets you align risk policies with your business priorities, whether that's protecting customer data, critical target systems, or privileged users. Finally, it also allows you to take actions to mitigate risks. This shifts identity security from reactive investigation to proactive control, so your teams focus on preventing impact, not chasing logs. Security decisions don't stop at the console. With a single click, Warchief generates a management-ready risk report. It shows month-on-month trends, how exposure is changing, and where risk is increasing or being reduced. For leadership, this turns security into a measurable business conversation, clear trends, clear accountability, and no technical translation required. Based on what it sees, Warchief provides clear, prioritized recommendations, like strengthening authentication or reviewing high-risk access. By combining deep risk intelligence with a single, converged platform, Warchief provides mitigation of critical identity risk in real time. This is identity security built for the way leaders operate.